Namaste children, how are you all? Hope everything is fine. Last week you must had fun with art. This week we are going to have fun with craft. Okay, so today's subject is craft and today's topic is basic folds. Basic folds. Okay, so children, in craft we are going to make different articles with the marble paper. Okay, and you need to learn some folds to make that article, and that's the reason we have to learn this topic, basic folds. So there are two types of basic folds, mountain fold and valley fold. Alright, next part of video I am going to show you how to do it. First you have to watch it carefully, then you have to do it following the instructions, and then you have to practice it. Okay, I repeat again, you have to watch this video carefully how I'm going to do, the way I'll show you, and then you have to do it, and then you have to practice it. Alright, so let's learn. Okay children, so here we are starting. First of all, I would like to tell you about this paper. The paper which we are going to use is called marble paper. Okay, now see, this is in square shape. Second thing, marble paper has one side colored and the other side white. Okay, so first of all we are doing mountain fold. So when we do mountain fold, this white side of the paper should be upwards. Alright, now see this, see the corners. Now this paper has 4 corners, so let's assume point 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we have to do, lift point 1 and 2. Point 1 and 2 we have to lift. See this side of the paper. Now this side, these 2 corners and this side will go upon that side. So this 1 and 2, these 2 corners will go upon 3 and 4. Now with your fingers you have to make sure, see now there is a gap. Can you see there is a gap, white gap? So this white gap should not remain. So all 4 points should touch each other. Make sure that there is no gap. Alright, now with this thumb you have to remove the air and then you have to fold it. Now folding only with thumb is not enough. So what you have to do, index finger. With this index finger you have to put gentle pressure. Gentle pressure, you don't have to push so much, otherwise this paper will tear. Okay, so this is how we have folded it. And if you open, the line which you can see in the middle is called folding line. Okay, folding line. So this is mountain fold. Alright, if you keep it like this, the shape of it looks like a mountain. That's why it is called mountain fold. Alright, now let's see valley fold. We'll take another paper, same thing. Now for mountain fold we had taken white side. For valley fold we will take colored side, and same thing. Alright, corner 1, 2, 3, 4. Now same thing will happen. Corner 1 and 2, these 2 corners, they will go upon 3 and 4. With your fingers you have to make sure that all 4 points are touching together. Hold it fixed. With a thumb you have to remove the air and fold it. Again same thing, with index finger you have to put a gentle pressure. Now if you open, again you will see one line which is folding line. So this is called valley fold. Alright, word valley begins with letter V. So if you look at this, this is also looking like a V letter. Alright, so now these 2 folds you have to practice. Alright, folds we have done, now you have to practice. Can you see this folding line? This folding line should be horizontal to you. Alright, now same thing, point 1, point 2. These 2 points we have to lift and they will come upon the folding line. Exactly on the folding line. Okay, make sure they are touching the folding line. Put your fingers there and with thumb you have to fold it. Okay, so again with index finger you have to put a gentle pressure, will get sharp folding. Same thing we can do again. See, another folding line we have got. Same thing we can do again. So this is valley fold. Keep practicing. I'll show you mountain fold. See. Folding line, okay? Hold it horizontal to you. Same thing, point 1, point 2. You have to lift these points and they will go upon folding line. Make sure it is touching the folding line. It should not go beyond it, or it should not remain behind. If they are touching with thumb, you have to fold. With index finger, put a gentle pressure. If you open, one more folding line. Same way you have to practice one more time. From left, from right, both the sides. So same thing you have to do with mountain folds, and same thing you have to do with valley folds. This is how you have to practice all the folds, which will be helpful for you to make articles. So enjoy this activity and have a fun. Thank you.